Second quarter, Agahan Elite versus Handumanan. This is game 2 of the finals, 18 under category. Score 14-12 in favor of Handumanan. Kablas, Palma, Kadungo, basket by Kadungo, 16-12. Apat ang abanse sa Handumanan. Ahayon. That is a backcourt violation.
Backcourt violation.
Kadungo. Lumusot. Basket by Kadungo. 18-12. Salvania against Palma. Pinasakay Kahayon. Kahayon. Nakita si Cantara. Layup. No good. There's a foul
Foul number 12.
on Cantara. Holding foul. For 3, too strong. Kahayon for the rebound. Pass to Cano. Cano to Tabat. Brits. Wala. Turnover. Kablas to Kablas to Kadungo.
Time to shoot.
Floater. There's a foul. First throw. Basket. Last throw. 2 out of 2 by Kadungo. 20-12. Ano? Pinasa kay Salvania. Cantara to Villaruz. Jumper. Basket by Villaruz. 14-20. Kablas. Pass to Palma. To Kadungo. Nabitawan.
Time to shoot.
It's a traveling violation. Villaruz to Cano. Salvania.
Time to shoot.
For 3, no good. Rebound by Villaruz. Basket and 1 for Villaruz.
28, it's your second
throw.
personal foul.
No good. 24-16. That is another travel violation.
Committed by
Cano to Villaruz. Pass to Cano.
time to shoot.
Tara! It's a traveling violation. And Kablas. Pass to Magallanes.
Time to shoot.
Magallanes for 3. Short. Assist. Basket by Villaruz.
Number 24.
18-20. The lead is down to 2.
Remaining time 6 minutes 3 seconds.
Palma. Basket by DJ Palma. 22-18. Villaruz to Cano.
Time to shoot.
Floater, no good. Rebound by Kadungo. Basket and one for Kadungo. No good. Villarus. Pass to Antara. Tawan. Kadungo. Easy basket by Kadungo. 26-18. Salvania. Pass to Villarus.
Time to shoot.
Jumper basket by Villarus. 20-26. Favor of Handumanan. Kablas to Palma.
Time to shoot.
Palma jumper back. Step back, no good. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Kablas. Kablas. Wala. Kadungo. There's a foul. First throw. No good. Last throw. 1 out of 2 by Kadungo. 27-20. 7-point lead by Handumanan.
27.
Salvania against Fuentes.
Time to shoot.
Salvania jumper, no good. Rebound by Kadungo. Fuentes. Tinira palabas. No good. Kadungo. Basket by Kadungo. 29-20. Timeout by Agahan Elite. Malamig na panahon pero ang init ng laban. No good. O ni Palma. To Kadungo. Antara for the rebound. Pass break. Basket by Salvania. 22-29. Mahabol ang Agahan. Floater, no good. Covered ni Kadungo.
Time to shoot.
To Palma. Basket by DJ Palma. 31-22. 9-point lead by Handumanan. 2 minutes 39 remaining in the second quarter.
Time to shoot.
3 points by Cadiz. Wala. There's a foul. Forced throw by Cantara. Basket.
1 point.
Last throw, jumper. Basket. 2 out of 2 by Cantara. 24-31. Palma. Basket by DJ Palma. 33-24. Turnover.
Parang tingting.
2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Gerhem to Palma. Back to Gerhem.
Time to shoot.
Gerhem sa ilalim. Naagaw ni Tabat. Tabat to Saliba. Airball. Rebound by Kadungo. There's a foul. First throw, no good. Last throw. Basket, 1 out of 2 by Kadungo. 34-24. 10-point lead by Andumanan. That's no good. Kadungo. There's a foul. First throw. Basket.
1 point.
Last throw. 2 out of 2 by Kadungo. 36-24. Saliba to Cantara.
Time to shoot.
Cadiz. Cantara, no good. Kuha ni Magallanes. To Gerhem.
40 seconds left.
Kadungo. No good. Ako ni Cadiz. Pass to Cantara. No good. Rebound. Steal by Kadungo. Dire-diretso. Basket by Kadungo. 10 seconds remaining.
5.
Albania for 3. No good. End of the second quarter.
Official score 24-38. Andumanan.
14-point lead by Team Handumanan.
Our next game, St. Vincent versus